Hey drone nerds, Andrew here. Let's talk about the new DJI Dock. Hey, before we get started, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. That way you can stay up to date on everything going on in the drone and UAV industry. And don't forget to like the video, it really helps. DJI has taken remote work to an entirely new level with their release of the DJI Dock. They're calling it a drone-in-a-box solution, and it's so much more than just a charging station. All it needs for setup is a flat mounting surface, preferably a concrete slab, an Ethernet connection, and access to power via a professional installation by an electrician. It comes with a DJI Matrice 30, which has been modified specifically for use with the dock. There are two versions. You can get either the M30 or the M30T, which is kitted out with a thermal sensor. With these drones, things like inspections and mapping are done with absolute ease. The M30 can fly up to 40 minutes and at an altitude of 7,000 meters. That's almost 23,000 feet. Plus, the M30 is IP55 rated, which means that bad weather is not an issue. The Dock also has an IP55 rating, which means that drone will be sitting pretty in its nice little home when it's not being used. And you don't have to worry about any problems being caused by water or dust. But if you do need to know the weather outside of your dock, thankfully it has a built-in weather station and security camera so that you stay informed wherever your dock is located. It can take the M30's battery from 10% to 90% in just 25 minutes. The dock even has a built-in air conditioner to keep the batteries cool while they're charging. This means less downtime and more flight time, which means that you can get more done. Do you need centimeter level precision? You're in luck. The dock has RTK built in, and the whole operation is managed by DJI Flight Hub 2. Managed data, flight plans, scheduled missions, all completely remote. Wait, that means that you can work in the cloud while working in the clouds. So the DJI Dock has been in testing for quite a while already. Power stations, pipelines, and solar farms have already seen a dramatic uptick in efficiency and a huge savings in maintenance and inspection costs. Plus, not having to send somebody hundreds of feet in the air or putting anyone in a precarious situation is such a relief. The on-site dock just deploys the M30 without delay, and the inspection's done. Are you ready to get your DJI Dock set up? Send an email to experts@dronenerds.com today. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.